Today, 20th December 2020, Sunday morning. Time is 10:10. I'm going to see Dodda Aladamara. It is a 400 years old big banyan tree near to Mysore Road, 26 kilometers from Bangalore Central. Google Map shows 40 kilometers from my place, and I will reach by 11:45. I'm starting now. Let's go and see. Heavy traffic today. I stepped almost all the signals. Time is 11:45. I reached. Let me go inside and see. Parked my car and now going towards the entrance. I'm going to enter inside and see the big banyan tree. This is the 400 years old big banyan tree. So you can see around. It is little bit crowded inside as it is Sunday. Dodda Aladamara, literally translated to big banyan tree. It is a huge tree, approximately 400 years old. Located in the village of Ketohalli in the Bangalore urban district of Karnataka. The single plant covers 3 acres and is one of the largest of its kind. This property is under the Horticulture Department of Government of Karnataka. The botanical name of banyan tree is Ficus bengalensis. The structural integrity of the tree was hindered in the late 2000s when this tree suffered through natural diseases. Now this tree looks like many different trees. Very interesting place. I really enjoyed it. You can see this is the tag 499. Madam, ಈ ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಏನಕ್ಕೆ ಇದು?
ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ಸರ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟಿದಾವೆ ಅಂತ ಎಣಿಸೋದಕ್ಕೆ.
ಎಷ್ಟು ರೂಟ್ ಇದೆ?
700 ಇದೆ ಸರ್.
700 ಟ್ಯಾಗ್ ರೂಟ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಇನ್ಚಾರ್ಜಾ?
ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಸರ್, ನೀವು ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸೆಕ್ಯೂರಿಟಿ ಆಗಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ತಮ್ಮ ಹೆಸರು ಮೇಡಮ್?
ಪುಷ್ಪ.
ಈ ಜಾಗ ಹೆಸರೇನು?
ಕೇತೋಹಳ್ಳಿ ಅದು.
ಕೇತೋಹಳ್ಳಿ. ಕೇತೋಹಳ್ಳಿ ಅಂತ. ಮತ್ತೆ ಈ ದೇವಸ್ಥಾನ?
ಮುನೇಶ್ವರ ಟೆಂಪಲ್.
ಮುನೇಶ್ವರ, ಇದು ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಟೆಂಪಲ್?
ಓಲ್ಡ್, 400 ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಓಲ್ಡ್.
400 years ಓಲ್ಡ್ ಮುನೇಶ್ವರ ಟೆಂಪಲ್. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ವಿಡಿಯೋ ತಗೋಬೋದಾ?
ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ.
ಓಕೆ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಮ್ಯಾಮ್.
ಓಕೆ ಸರ್, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು. I spent around 1 hour here. Now getting outside. Let me see whether any restaurants nearby for my lunch. Done with lunch. I had roti curry. Going back to Bangalore. It is showing 40 kilometers to my place and will take more than 1.5 hours. Around 3 o'clock I'll reach there. Let me start. Time is 2:40. I reached my place. I will try to include more attractions in and around Bangalore in my upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.